Alright, architects, let's settle this. D5 Render or Twinmotion? Which one should you pick in 2026? Here's the quick answer. If you crave mind-blowing photorealism and have a powerful NVIDIA RTX graphics card, D5 Render is your best friend. But if you want something free or need to run on a Mac, Twinmotion's got you covered. Let's break it down. D5 Render is all about stunning realism. Interiors? Absolutely gorgeous. The lighting, reflections, and shadows just feel real, thanks to advanced AI tools and ray tracing. If your workflow demands cinematic visuals and you're rocking an RTX card, you'll love D5. Plus, the built-in asset library is huge, with over 16,000 high-quality items, and their grass and garden tools are next level. But there's a catch. D5 only runs on Windows, and without the latest hardware, it can feel sluggish. If you're on Mac or using an older GPU, D5 probably isn't for you. Now, Twinmotion. It's the king of accessibility. Free for students and most small studios, and it even works on Mac. Twinmotion shines for fast conceptual designs and quick prototyping. You get deep integration with Epic's Unreal Engine ecosystem, meaning access to Quixel Megascans and Sketchfab for pretty much any asset you'd ever need. Rendering quality? Twinmotion's lumen lighting is impressive, but sometimes has a slightly game engine look compared to D5's cinematic realism. However, Twinmotion is super fast. Animations, walkthroughs, even moving doors, easy and efficient. So, the verdict? Go for D5 Render if you're chasing jaw-dropping visuals and have the hardware to match. Pick Twinmotion if you want speed, massive asset libraries, or work on a Mac, or if you just need the best value for $0. Both are powerful. The right choice comes down to your workflow, hardware, and budget.